For routing jazz bass pickups, we use two templates. One is a drill jig that gets your corners and mounting holes, and the other is a routing template for the cavity itself. Use double stick tape to attach the template to the body. Make sure to press it down really hard because you don't want that template to move. The 4 larger holes on the outside are for the tight corners of the pickup route. The 4 smaller holes are for the mounting screws for the pickups. Drill the mounting holes and the corner holes, removing your chips frequently. There are 2 indexing pins included with the set. Install those into opposing corner holes and then use them to line up the cavity template for an accurate route. Route the cavity in 2 passes that are 3/8 of an inch deep for a total cavity depth of 3/4 of an inch. There's a little bit of wood left where the drill bit and the router bit don't overlap. You use a sharp chisel to get in there and remove that. There we go. That's a nice fitting route.